CONSYSA is a construction management software that promises to streamline operations. But before deciding if it's right for you, here are 12 important things you need to know. We'll compare it with other popular tools in the industry to give you a clear picture of what you're getting into. First off, CONSYSA offers a wide range of features like project scheduling, budgeting, and document management, which makes it similar to other established names like Buildertrend and Procore. However, its interface can be a bit more difficult to navigate compared to these competitors, so expect a learning curve. Next thing, CONSYSA's pricing structure is subscription-based, but it can get quite expensive, especially for small contractors. Unlike Procore, which has flexible pricing, CONSYSA can quickly add up if you need multiple users or advanced features. For small companies, this might be something to consider. The third thing to know is that while CONSYSA offers good project tracking, its mobile app isn't as robust as others in the market. Buildertrend and CoConstruct provide much better mobile experiences, making it easier to manage projects on the go. CONSYSA's mobile version tends to lag behind in terms of features and user experience. The fourth thing is its integration capabilities. While it connects well with common tools like QuickBooks, it's not as versatile as Procore, which integrates with a much broader range of third-party applications. If you're using a variety of software, you might find CONSYSA a bit limited in this area. Next, the customer support can be hit or miss. Some users report fast and helpful responses, while others feel that the support team could do more. In contrast, platforms like Buildertrend are known for their excellent customer service, with dedicated support teams ready to assist you. The sixth thing is that CONSYSA shines in its document management. If your company deals with a lot of paperwork, this tool can really help. However, compared to Procore's more customizable options, you may find that CONSYSA lacks a bit of flexibility. Now let's talk about reporting. While CONSYSA does offer reports on project performance, its reporting tools are not as customizable as Buildertrend's or Procore's. If you rely heavily on detailed personalized reports, CONSYSA might fall short. Another thing to know is that CONSYSA does have a built-in CRM to help you manage leads and clients, which is a nice feature not always found in other software. But again, it doesn't have the full range of CRM tools that standalone systems offer, so if you're looking for an all-in-one CRM, this might not be enough. The ninth point is about the learning curve. CONSYSA is not the easiest to get started with, especially for beginners. While some other options offer tutorials and extensive training, CONSYSA's learning resources are a bit more limited. Now, one thing that sets CONSYSA apart is its customization options. It allows you to tailor workflows to fit your specific needs, something that's often lacking in more rigid systems like CoConstruct. But this does require some time to set up, so make sure you're ready to invest that effort up front. The 11th point is its scalability. CONSYSA is built to support large-scale projects, but it doesn't scale as smoothly as Procore. Procore offers more tools designed for larger companies with complex needs, so if you're planning to expand your operations, you might eventually outgrow CONSYSA. Lastly, it's important to note that while CONSYSA is a solid construction management tool, it's not for everyone. It offers a good range of features, but some of its competitors may provide more specialized tools, better customer service, and better overall value for money. If you're just starting out or managing smaller projects, it might not be the most cost-effective solution for you. Overall, CONSYSA is a good option for construction companies looking for comprehensive project management. But if you're looking for something more intuitive or better for smaller teams, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free to see if it suits your needs better.